Dearly beloved and honored guests, we are here today to join Josh and Roxanne in marriage. Josh, do you take Roxanne to be your lawfully wedded wife, to hold in sickness and in health, for richer and for poor, on good days and bad, for both as long as you shall live?
I do.
Roxanne, do you take Josh to be your lawfully wedded husband, to hold through sickness and in health, for richer for poor, in good times and bad, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
With this ring, I be wed.
With this ring, I be wed.
By the authority invested in me in the state of Ohio, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss the bride.
I love you.
Me and Josh are friends, known him for a while. If you'd ever asked me before this day if I were to ever imagine this happening, Josh getting married, it didn't. But I'm glad he found someone. And Roxy, I'm sorry. Congratulations, Josh and Roxy. And Josh, I'm just glad you didn't turn out gay.
Really?
About 5 years ago, and I was absolutely scared to death of her. Since then, I've had the pleasure to see how great of a mother she is and how strong she is. And I'm so glad that she's found someone to love and cherish her as much as I do for the rest of her life.